So guys, right over here is the platform that I actually want to share with you guys. The name of this platform is known as ShaoBank's, and please keep it in mind, I am no way a financial advisor. I'm no way advising you to invest your money, but you can as well do your own deep research before you invest any funds into any platform. You cannot be held responsible for any gain or loss you acquire of these platforms. So the first step right here is that I'm actually going to log in into my account on this particular one. So I'll log in into ShaoBank's right now, and then I'm going to actually do my recap chart from here. So once I do my recap chart, I'm going to show you guys what to do and how I do get to earn money from this very platform. All right, so let me quickly log in into my account. Now let me quickly log in. You can see right here I have some amount of Hong Kong dollar, which is HKD. I've actually made my withdrawal for the week, and this is coming from a referral. All right, if at any point in time I get to refer one person to this platform, I earn $7.12 into my own personal account, and that is where it get interesting. So let me show you guys how I do place withdrawal from this platform, and then I'll show you guys all my transaction histories. All right, so I'll first of all go over to my Trust Wallet. Now on my Trust Wallet right here, you can see this is my personal account right here. All right, but I want to actually withdraw. Okay, let me withdraw to this particular wallet. I'll copy my wallet address, come down to this section, click on the withdrawal on this platform. All right, I'll scroll down, and right here I can type in the amount of Hong Kong dollar I actually want to withdraw. So I have over 56, so I will be typing 56. All right, so let me type 56. Then if I should scroll down, I can basically select within any cryptocurrency of my choice. I can select BNB, I can select BEP20, I can select Ethereum, any cryptocurrency that are listed down right here I can use to place withdrawal. So I'll just leave it in USDT. Then I have to paste down my wallet address on this section right here. And once I paste down my wallet address, I have to copy my CVC. So right here, my CVC is 4113, right? 413, sorry. Now, once I come down right here, I'll click on the next. Now, once I click on the next, then I'll have a section to impute my CVC. Then I will type it down, 413, and then click on withdraw. Now this is what I normally do. Every week I get paid from this platform. I actually made an investment of over $101.68 to this platform, and that's just my investment. But let me show you guys how much I've actually made out of this particular platform right now. It has been more than how much I've invested, and it is still going up to date. The platform is said to stay for 3 years. I've used it for over 6 months, and it has actually been active before 6 months right now. So let me show you guys. If I should scroll down a little bit and I go over to the transaction section, under the transaction section, I'll come over here and click on withdrawals. All right, so these are all my withdrawals that I've been actually taking out from this platform. Now you can see these are withdrawals. So let me scroll to the other side so that you can see. Now each 70 Hong Kong dollar or each 70 HKD that you're seeing right here is about $8.8. So if I should click on it, you can see each 70 HKD is $8.8 that I'm actually withdrawing. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so let's just do a simple calculation. So just imagine if I got 8.8, all right, times 10. I've made $88 from this particular one already. There are still other withdrawals right here. Now these are just for 70 HKD. Now I place a withdrawal for over 112. All right, so this 112 is how much in USDT? This is about 14.2 USDT. Let me add that up to my calculator. All right, so let's just say 88 plus 14.2 USDT. Now we have 102. Remember, I invested $101.68. I've actually made back more than what I've actually invested into the platform, but let's keep on calculating so that you guys can see. Now I'll scroll down a little bit. This one right here is 56. All right, so this is about 7.1. So I'll be like plus $7.1. I've made 109. Scroll down a little bit. This is 104 HKD. All right, so let me check how much is 104 HKD. It will show the actual amount. So it's $17.7. all right, so I'll be like plus $17.7. all right, 127. If I should scroll down again, you can see finally I have over 210, which is $26.6. all right, so plus $26.6. I've made 153 plus today withdrawal that I actually made today again, which is 7.1. Now I've made a total of over $160. and I decided to invest 101. So let me just like minus $101.68. Now I've roughly made $59 from this platform. Interesting fact about the platform is I'm still making withdrawals and it is still going up. I will keep on updating you guys on how this platform turns out to be. In fact, if you don't actually have funds to invest into this platform, all you have to do is to create your account, verify, and then get to look for people that can actually invest into this platform, and you make a lot of money. Remember, each referral give you $7.1, and that is one thing you should know. And each deposit costs over $101.68. Now for you to do that, you go over to the bond section. All right, now under the bond section right here, you can basically see that on the bond section we have two bonds. All right, you have to purchase any of these bonds that you can see right here. If at any point you actually want to purchase the exact amount of bonds that I actually purchase, you have to leave it on this BB7280. This is going to provide you 10 bonds. It's going to last for a maturity of over 3 years. You'll be using 10 bonds and you'll be getting 0.45% of your initial investment every single day. Now, once you get this every single day, it will reflect into your account every week. All right, and every week I get to make money from this platform. That is one thing you should know. So I'll scroll down a little bit. Right over right here, I can select it to be in USDT, which is Theta TRC20, and then you can see right here, this is the amount that I actually invest. This is the date that is actually going to expire if I invest today. All right, so what you need to do is to click on the buy bonds, and then it will take you to the next page. You will see information concerning your own account and every other single thing. Then right here, you will also see a wallet address and a QR code scanner. You can copy the wallet address and make a payment of over $101.68. Then it will reflect into your account. All right, so you can see right here, I just received the payment, the withdrawal that I just made from this platform. That's $7.1. all right, I just received the payment into my account right now, so you can see every single proof about this payment. So let me open it up so that you guys can see. Come back to the platform right here. Once you make your payment, you click on I have paid. All right, and then this platform will be notified that you have actually made a payment, and they will credit your account for you. Now every week you get to withdraw from this platform, and you get to see your withdrawal proof written down for you. Every single details of your withdrawals are going to be stored up for you. So it depends how you make use of the platform and how you find the platform interesting and you want to make use of it. All right.